Hi, this is your astrological forecast for Monday, September the 13th. My name is Kat. Let's get started by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We visualize all the darkness and murkiness. It's all flowing out of our body. And in its place, we are being filled with this beautiful white light. It's filling our entire body. And it's made up of white light, love, and the will to good. Not only does it fill our entire body with white light, love, and the will to good, but then it goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we are in this space connected with our higher self in this white light, we are going to say our Sun in Virgo affirmation. I embrace my true, authentic self. I shine my light out into the world. We are going to say the affirmation together, and then we'll sit in this space of white light connected with our higher self for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. I embrace my true, authentic self. I shine my light out into the world. Good work. Well, if you watched the weekly forecast yesterday, today begins 3 days of murkiness, fogginess. We have the moon in Sagittarius. It's like these two energies are just, they can't figure it out. They can't figure out how to work together because we have the moon in Sagittarius, very optimistic, willing to take risks, try new things. And then we have this Neptune and Pisces energy is saying, no way. Not gonna happen. No way. So we are trying to, we're full of energy to promote maybe an idea or maybe a project or something like that. And it seems the more we try to move forward with it, the more it's just like we're banging our heads against the wall. That's what today and tomorrow and Wednesday are going to be like, banging your head against the wall. It's like, I think I said yesterday, you take 2 steps forward or maybe 1 step forward and 2 steps back. And what happens is we keep trying to promote ourselves or push this idea, promote this idea, and what ends up happening is we just become depleted and exhausted. You get the feeling? So today, instead of insisting, I know I'm a Sagittarian, so I know that Sagittarian energy is just, we are just full of ourselves and we know we can make this happen. We know everyone's gonna buy into whatever it is that we're trying to promote, but that's not what's really going on at all. So pay attention to that. I would suggest that if we want to have any progress forward, if we are working on a particular idea or project this week, Thursday is our day. And it is the only day. Today, the feeling that we experience on Monday, we're going to have that feeling Tuesday and Wednesday, just in the fog. Can't seem to find our way anywhere. So that is the energy for today. And as I said yesterday, it may not be good for outer world productivity, but it is excellent for inner world productivity. So take this time today, instead of trying to promote our DI idea, our creative idea, our project, whatever it is, let's work internally Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and let's work on continuing, hopefully, to develop that relationship with our higher self by, if nothing else, just taking those 3 deep cleansing breaths and sitting in that space for just 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. Just feel that space. Think about for 5 minutes the Sun in Virgo affirmation, I embrace my true authentic self. Get in touch with who we truly are. Just kind of get the feel for that for just 5 minutes. Get working on that Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Okay, what advice do we have for this Monday, September the 13th? Spirit Keeper of the West. Walking in Beauty. Owl Medicine. Well, this is some great advice for this Monday. Spirit Keeper of the West. This is about today, what Spirit wants us to do is to use our intuition, our higher mental body, our gut, as we move through the day today on this Monday, since things are so murky. No, not mercury, murky. Trust our gut. Listen to our heart. It's going to tell us if it's not feeling good, we need to stop, step back. We may need to let go as well. Today, it's really important that we follow our intuition, our higher mind. Along with that, walking in beauty. Spirit is confirming that today and tomorrow is a great day to develop that relationship with higher self. And it doesn't have to be in quiet meditation or a guided meditation. By the way, I have that guided meditation available if anyone needs it to help them work on their meditation. There is a 15-minute guided meditation out there on my playlist. But Spirit is saying that's not the only way. We can also take a walk in the woods, be with nature, walk on the beach, feel the earth in our toes, the grass between our toes. Get in touch with our higher self that way, through the beauty that we see all around us. Get connected to the beauty of the earth. That is one way. And the other way, our medicine, is through sitting quietly, connecting with our higher self, through meditation, through quiet contemplation, and tapping into that part of ourselves that is our higher self, our higher mental body, our wisdom, our intuition. So Spirit is saying, great time to work with me today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. Not such a great time to try to work with that outer world. It's not being very supportive. So come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat for my daily inspirational messages. If you like what you're watching today, please like, subscribe, and share. I do look at my comments and they do help me learn and grow. Remember the keynote for the Soul Sister channel, and that is life is lived from the inside out. And today, tomorrow, and Thursday, no, today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, let's really work on getting connected to that aspect of ourselves, understanding that everything we see in the outer world is a result of what we have created from within. So get connected with that these 3 days instead of trying to work it in the outer world, because the outer world is not playing nice with us. Okay, take care. Have a great Monday. Just stay focused and take those deep cleansing breaths if you need them. Namaste.